Have you ever wondered how you can master charcoal portraits? Well, you can join me on Patreon and uncover those secrets in my new portrait drawing course. Hi, Carey here, and welcome back to the channel where we explore all things portraiture. This month on my Patreon channel, I'll be releasing a brand new course called Fast, Fluid, and Dramatic Charcoal, where we dive into the process of creating stunning and realistic portraits done in one of my favorite mediums, and that's charcoal. Charcoal is a fantastic medium. It's fast, it's dramatic, it's inexpensive, and because of its powdery nature, it is fantastic for blending. This really gives you an opportunity to learn about shading and blending, and it introduces you to the technique of using brushes in order to get those effects. And this is a tried and true method of preparing artists in their training for painting skills down the road. So many artists struggle with creating realistic charcoal portraits. Whether they're struggling with the shading techniques or getting the proportions right, sometimes these challenges can be quite daunting. But not to worry, these are the very techniques that we are going to get into and we will cover throughout the course. In this course, you're going to learn that the key is to build your drawing up in layers, starting from your preliminary construct to doing your initial lay-in and then building up the details layer upon layer. However, one of the most important skills that we're really going to get into is how to blend and brush your artwork. So when I was studying, one of the big issues that I was really interested in was how do you actually make skin look like skin and make it look convincing? And what I found through trial and error and by really focusing on that was that it's all about the blending. By learning this charcoal technique, you will gain a deep understanding of light and shadow. Mastering the art of blending goes a long way to actually bringing your artwork to life, and is a key skill to creating realistic and captivating portraits. So let's take a look at a few before and after comparisons of some of my students. And you can see the transformation and the incredible impact of mastering these techniques and what that has on your artwork. It's truly amazing what you can achieve if you just simply know what to do and you have the right guidance. All the courses that I've created on Patreon are designed to take you up the ladder of mastery, so that each successive course you're building on what you already know, and then you're being introduced to either a more complex technique or a new medium. And this allows you to just keep growing step by step, incrementally acquiring new and more complex skills. Every month, I'll introduce you to either a new course or a new project. I also have my weekly live mentoring sessions on Zoom. And these are done in a group setting in which you will be given direct feedback on your drawing, but you'll also see everybody else being given the same feedback on their drawings where they're at. So you'll have the opportunity not only to learn from what you're going through, but you'll have the opportunity to see what everybody else is going through and learn from their experience as well. Patreon offers a fantastic environment for artists of all levels to create stunning and realistic portraits with a lot less effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, my Patreon courses will give you the tools and the guidance to not only bring your skills up to the next level, but also bring your artistic vision to life. In conclusion, this charcoal portrait drawing course can be your gateway to becoming a charcoal portrait master. Simply look for the link in the description below and find out how. So if you're ready to take your drawing skills up to the next level, please subscribe to the channel for more transformational tips, tutorials, and courses. And also feel free to share your work in the comments below. I would love to see what you're doing. Thanks very much for watching, and remember, stay creative. This is your time to express yourself. We'll see you in the next video.